As a society, we have come a long way in empowering women. Feminism, as a movement, now fights for equality instead of any social considerations. So, how does it affect now and us? Well, for the starters, we have two men and two women on the dais. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ritu Joshi. I'm a trained and practicing counselor and therapist. I specialize myself in early childhood education. I'm very passionate about um, early childhood development in regards to content and curriculum development as well as teachers training. I'm the founder and owner of Little Oaks Preschool and Activity Center. I welcome all on behalf of the PG Garodia Alumni Association, where we are here to celebrate the International Women's Day with a talk show about a very important point and topic, which is health, wealth, and happiness. We have with here PG Garodia alumni. We have Dev Bakshi with here. He is a managing director at Tapasya Group. He is an engineer in industrial electronics, a MBA in marketing. He's a life coach and trainer with Landmark Forum and a visiting professor with University of San Diego, Pharma Engineering. So, welcome Dev. Dev, a first shooting question. How does it feel to come back on the Garodia stage?
Brings back very old memories. This very stage is where, as kids, I joined the school in 1971. And since 71, coming on this stage and performing and elocutions and stuff like that brings back such sweet old memories to me that I'm really, really nostalgic at this moment of time.
I could imagine. So thank you so much for being here, Dev.
Yeah.
We also have with us Dr. Jankana Thakkar. She has been from the batch 1997. She is a founder and chief dietitian at Natural Holistic Health Center. She has been a consulting dietitian for the last 16 years and a naturopath doctor for the last 4 years. She is a certified diabetic educator. She has done her training from KEM in Jaslok Hospital. Her field of interest are diabetic care, weight loss, liver disease, and pediatric diet. She has worked for reputed pediatricians as dietitians, and she has a work experience with Cadbury India for child nutrition program. She has set up professional kitchens for various reputed schools in Ghatkopar. So, Dr. Jankana, how does it feel to share the same stage that your children are sharing right now? And you are batch 1997. So, how does it feel to come back and share the stage?
The relation with Garodia has been long from my childhood to my children's childhood. It has been amazing. When I used to study, there was a hobby class which was cooking. So I had taken that, I remember. So when I went to that cooking class of hobby, it was run by a nutritionist. That is the first day when I got to know that there is a professionist who is a nutritionist. So from that day, I got my ambition to become a nutritionist.
Wow, and you are a very different kind of a nutritionist, a nutrogenetic counselor. Did I say it correctly?
Yes, it is nutrigenetic
Counselor. So we will really come back to that. We are really interested to know so much more about this. And we have Mr. Murthy Nagarajan. He is head of fixed income, MCOM and MBA from Somaya Institute of Management. He is a senior member of Tata Mutual Funds. He and his team advise Tata Group companies on their investments. He regularly writes for Economic Times on markets. He is asked for his views on the markets by newspaper publications like Business Standards, Financial Express, and Bloomberg. Wow, that is so good to know, Mr. Murthy. Now you tell me, Mr. Murthy, you're batch 1985. During those times, there were, two sections in the classroom. One side the boys sat and the other side the girls sat. So did you ever think then, a Kapil Sharma type question, that you would come on the stage to talk on the Women's Day?
No, frankly, I would say nothing. Coming about this auditorium where Dev Bakshi talks about, Dev Bakshi has got very good experience, but here I used to get beaten by Nare.
Okay.
So this is the experience that I have got. I never thought that I will be talking about all these things.
Women.
Yeah.
Then. So
Yeah.
it is controversial. It would be controversial then. So we are very glad to have you here to talk on women, advising them on wealth. So coming to the topic today, that is, we are here for health, wealth, and happiness. So the first question goes to you, Mr. Murthy. Murthy, I would say. You are a peer with me. So Murthy, you know, budgeting is a biggest thing that the Indian women does. All the Indian houses basically are, the budgeting is done and taken over by the women. Even if you are into finance, you have been dealing into finance, managing finance, but I can be very sure that the budgeting of your house is done by your wife or maybe your mother. So, you know, this budgeting is a saving that the women also does. Month by month, there is a saving that she does, where this saving is going to come to the house itself during the times of crisis. I would call even health issues a crisis situation, or, you know, there was demonetization when the whole India had fallen apart. The pandemic which is currently happening, which is, so even during these times, it is this saving which is helping the family float. So can you give some advices, Murthy, where this saving can be done in a systematic way, where there is some growth happening in this saving?
Yeah. So, if you look at women, we tell them woman is Lakshmi in the house. Even in my case, when my daughter was born, I actually got a lot of promotions.
Wow.
But the point is that whether are we treating that woman properly? Are we taking them into confidence in personal matters, or are they showing interest? So what they are doing is that, yeah, basically if you look at my maid also, she is getting 11,000 rupees.
Wow.
So I used to talk with her. She told me that she saves 4,000 rupees. So it is not that you cannot save.
Absolutely.
Even if you get a small amount, you can save. In finance, what we say is that first you should save and then afterwards you should spend. So people spend and then save. That will not work out because the spending can always be higher. So first you should save for your financial goals, for yourself first. First, so you have to look after yourself. Like they say in a plane, first you wear the mask and then give to the others. So you should follow the same dictum here. First you should take care of your health, wealth, and happiness. Only then you will be able to give advice or take the family into confidence. Only if you are not well, what is the point? Everybody in the family will be unhappy.
Correct. But how can you help Murthy? That what is the way that they can do some systematic planning where, you know, this money is growing?
Yeah.
The saving that they do grows.
Yeah. So
Is it just the gold or something else also?
Yeah. So what people have done is that traditionally people are invested in gold and in real estate,
Right.
which is a very good investment. But what happens is that we always wait for some time, let the money grow, and then afterwards we'll buy gold. But now you have got mutual funds where you can do SIP, systematic investment. You can invest even 100 rupees.
Wow.
So if you can invest 100 rupees, and that gives you a return which will be much higher than what you are getting from these two asset classes, whether you take gold or you take real estate. So they should do systematic investment plan, and important is that they should secure their family. So you as a woman has to say that what is the income of the man, and 10 times of the money you should secure as term insurance plan. You may be spending some 1 lakh, but you will be secured for at least 3 lakhs, 3 crores, 4 crores, 5 crores. If something happens, that eventuality is taken care of. So first you should see to it that you take an insurance for yourself, and whatever savings is there, you can start putting in SIP. You can take any mutual funds and start doing SIP regularly. And once you are able to get a decent amount, then you can shift into whether you want to buy gold or whether you want to do this. You can do that.
Great. So SIP is what you are suggesting. LIC is what you are suggesting.
Yeah.
And even gold, but at the later stage,
Yeah.
that you have some accumulated, and it's a big point that you gave, that SIP can also be done with 100 rupees. So which is a very important point to be noted, women, all the women and men watching, that you don't need a big amount to do something. If didis and maids can do it, we also can. So the growth of saving will really make a big change. So coming to you, Dev, So as we just spoke about the homemakers, where they do the saving. With that, they are doing a lot of multitasking roles. And in this multitasking, they forget about their own selves. Their ignorance is towards themselves only. So, what is something? How important is it for women to take care of the mental health?
It's a very abstract question, but we, as human beings, the source of our creation is a woman.
Right.
So, woman and her happiness and her health is the source of anything and everything that she is creating. She, unless a woman is happy, unless a woman is contented, she cannot create and take care of the family. Which means that for her to first to be taking care of herself is very, very important. Most often than not, especially given the Indian circumstances and the Indian culture and the Indian household, a woman gets consumed by her family. For her, the first attention is her family, her kids, her husband, her in laws, her family, and the complete family as such. And she is the one who is the person who's binding the whole family together. And for her, she is the last priority. And I'm sure there are two women sitting on the dais here with
Absolutely,
me.
you are so correct.
And I'm sure both of you are exactly in the same place. So unless and until she takes care of her own health, she takes care of her own well-being, she will not be a provider.
True.
जब तक वो खुद अपने आप पे वो अनुभव नहीं करती है, तब तक वो उसे दे नहीं सकती है.
Very right.
Yeah, so it is very, very important for her to take care of her health and well-being to begin with, for her family to prosper. And only when she is healthy, that the family will prosper and family will stay happy.
So true is that.
Yeah.
So true is that. So it's very important, as Dev said. I will just sum it up that it's important for her to take care of her own self, her own well-being, to make it sure the family is in a balance. So again, coming back to Jankana. See, women, as we just spoke and we have been speaking, that women form an important pillar of the society, and they are the primary caretakers in every country of the world. But still they suffer more and have poorer health outcomes all around the world, not just India, with repercussions not only for women, as just Dev mentioned, that something happening to the women, it is a whole family with that suffers. So in specifically Indian families, we witness, again I would say, multitasking, and the family, the women not taking care of the health. They know that it is important. They know absolutely. The consciousness is there, but they are ignorant towards it. So how can you give quick tips, Dr. Jankana, where the women can take care of themselves as a nutritionist that you are? Yeah.
Okay. So when we talk about women health, woman is a very, as all of you agree, that she is a very base. Okay, she is having a balance between everything, work, children's and home. So food, she may be experiencing mood swings, weight issues, to look proper always, because your children are looking up to you. So how she can do that with food is, food plays a very important role when it comes to women health, as food can give you a proper mood, proper weight, which you can be full of energy and fulfill your ambitions, your desires, what you have. So coming up to quick tips, which I want every woman to follow, is some of them are very generic types. Of course, every woman body is different. The nutritional needs are different. A diet working for one woman may not work with the other one. But on a generic platform like this, I want some awareness, so that even a small step, towards your health is a better
Absolutely.
than doing nothing.
Yeah.
So some of it is like having curd twice a day. It helps you to take care of your minerals and your gut health.
Wow.
And when your gut health is good, you will get a good hormonal balance. We will be speaking
Then for basic fat loss, basically fat loss, not the weight loss. Fat is giving you laziness.
Okay.
So for fat loss, you have to incorporate watermelons, pumpkins, gourd family vegetables. For having a good immunity, which is important so that she is healthy enough to face, she needs to have micronutrients, which are, she can have like 5 seed mukhwas.
Okay.
See, mukhwas is very
Sunflower
common.
seed and those
Sunflower
kind.
seeds.
Okay.
There are 7 seeds which
Right.
are rich in micronutrients. So they will boost the immunity of the
Wow.
woman. And she has to be rehydrated completely with chamomile tea, which is different than green tea, what we
Okay.
generally know. Chamomile tea has a very specific effect of relieving stress. So that can be a part, lime juice, stick to your roots, varyali ka pani and all is good, but she has to rehydrate herself. Because as I always say to my clients also, a good practitioner only can be making others learn.
Right.
If you practice, everyone else around you will start doing it and being convinced about you.
So true is that the last line, that even for the teachers it is being said that what you teach are the kids learning, you know.
Yeah.
So when you are teaching, it's very important for you to understand the learning is happening.
Yeah.
So that's very nice. Beautiful points you made, that there is a difference between loss of weight and loss of fats, because everybody is blindly running behind loss of weight.
Yes.
And in this, you know, they, I think, they start aging much before their age, and lot of other problems.
Yeah.
You also brought in a very beautiful point about the gourd family. That is, you're talking about the bitter gourd and the bottle gourd.
Bottle gourd.
Okay. Wow. And the chamomile tea. Everybody's crazy behind the green tea. So I think that is something that people should just look into.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Dr. Jankna. So Murthy, there is a lot of discussion, you know, these days happening on the financial independence part. To me, financial independence starts with earning, but doesn't end with earning. It doesn't mean if I'm earning, I am financially independent. So the question, does being an earning member lead to participation in financial decisions? Is it that, because, you know, I am not taking, women who might be earning is not taking her financial decisions because she does not know, she's not aware. So is it important, and how to go about it?
Yeah. So majority of the time, like I will tell about my case. My sister also, she is an 86 batch. She is also a teacher, but she is a very decent earning member in the family. But she does not know what happens with the money. She comes, gives it to her husband. That's it. The worst is my mother-in-law. She used to take the salary. She was a principal in school. She used to take the check and give it to his father-in-law. That's
Wow.
it. And then she used to go to the kitchen, cook, then again go to school, then again come cook, look after the kids, and that's how they used to do this. But it's very important now to see to it that you are financially well secured. At all points of time, if you're earning like this and after 58, or after 60, when you're not able to do anything and you start losing income, then it can become a problem. And people's attitude towards you can also change.
Drastically.
So since you are earning, you had a different status in the society and in the house. But if you are not earning, then it can be a problem.
Yes.
So always, like I said before, first you should secure yourself financially and see to it that you are safe, and then afterwards go to your kids and family members. So in your earnings, when you are actually earning, you should see to it that you should invest regularly. You should do whatever is for retirement purpose. You should put in equity schemes, which will give you very good returns over a longer period of time, 10, 15 years. Your child's education, you should invest into equities, and 15%, 20% of the income, you should keep it in 10%, 15%, you can keep it in debt or in banks and all those things.
Wow.
Other 5 to 10%, you can keep it in gold
Amazing.
as an insurance. So this is how you have to plan, so that when you actually are around 65, 70, when you think that you want to take it easy, at that time you are financially well secured and you don't have to depend. So till you die, you are financially secured.
So actually, you actually gave great tips what is to be done. So the women watching, this is great tips from him that at 60 you are financially secured, and there are a lot of adversities which come, you know. There can be a divorce, there can be some sudden illness in the family where this saving is going to help you out. And
Yeah.
you know where you stand basically. Women should know where they stand in their bank also. Yeah. So now, Dev, participation into finance. You know, majorly the women want to back out on this because they think that ye bhi main karu. This is also what I do. So what do you think that the women will gain? Will she gain confidence, happiness? She will gain ownership, or she's going to gain stress if she manages her own finance?
Well, I would say they all come hand in hand. Why I say that they all come hand in hand is because I have seen in the recent past, in my when I talk to people in the coaching assignments and all, I have seen that most often than not, a root cause between a husband and a wife is primarily because of the husband dealing with something back at work and not sharing with his wife that what is it he dealing with. Now I remember a case of a couple coming to me, and the husband was going through a lot of financial stress, and the wife was busy spending the money because the husband had given her a lifestyle, and she
Correct.
was spending the money the way she was spending. And uh, uh, and the husband, when he would come home and he would see things, he would get even more frustrated, and the relationship went to such a level that both of them landed up separating from each
Oh
other.
my God.
Yeah. So involving a woman, she might not be able to give you financial advice, but woman, because she is taking care of the home and she has that sixth sense, she always is in a position to tell you that how you could deal with things better. One. Secondly, because she is involved, she gets to know कि मुझे मेरी चादर कितनी फैलानी है. She knows that I have some expenses in a month, how I need to take care, how I need to balance. So that way, there will be a lot of happiness in the family. There will be a lot of balance in the family. And of course, when she knows the condition around, and if the husband is also financially secure, she is also confident, and that confidence, that happiness is then percolated down the line. So, and stress, of course, she is multitasking, she is managing a lot of stuff, so one more responsibility on her head. Yes, of course there is stress, but then stress by sharing reduces. So
You had mentioned a very nice point of the glass being half filled and half empty on
Yes,
this.
yes.
If you could elaborate on that, Dev.
So what happens is, when a husband shares about this, about the financial issues and all, or anything related to
Yeah.
finance, it's up to you to look at whether you want to look at a glass half full or half empty. Is the problem a big problem, or it's a problem that I need to deal with? And that's what will give you an expression of dealing with it. For example, we are human beings. Why are we called human beings? Why is a cat not called a cat being, or a dog not called a dog being? What is distinct that they don't have that we have? And what we have that they don't have is the power of a language.
Wow.
Yeah. And stress, happiness is not a, happiness especially is not a place to go to. कि जब मेरे बच्चों को मैं खाना खिला दूंगी, या जब मेरे बच्चे पढ़ जाएंगे, या जब मेरे बच्चों के पास सब कुछ आ जाएगा, या मेरे परिवार में सब कुछ आ जाएगा, तब मैं खुश होंगी. This is how mostly people relate to things. कि when I get this house, I'll be happy. When I get this job, I'll be happy. Or when I get this thing, I'll be happy. But happiness is not a place to go to. Happiness is a place to stand in and come from. And that is in language, that wherever I am today, whatever I have today, I am happy. And involving women in all the financial matters of the family, definitely. I've seen my mother getting involved with my father. My wife is a part of my business. She's been handling the finance. Yeah, we have our tiffs, we have our differences of opinion, but that's positive differences of opinion, and it is always another perspective.
I would call it a discussion, where
Yes.
there is, a male thinks in one way and the women thinks in the other way. So you can also have a different perspective when there is a discussion happening.
Yeah, many a times, I'll share about my life. Many a times, I always, think that women think illogical, but they're actually not illogical. If you
No.
actually go and implement what they are saying, they actually make sense.
Absolutely.
They make sense,
You're
though
saying a risk statement like this sitting on a platform where you're talking about women, but he doesn't mean, he says something else, so better listen to what he says. Yeah, they are not illogical.
No,
yeah,
no,
exactly.
they're definitely
Yeah, so
not
that
illogical.
is what you're saying, yeah.
No, they're
not.
definitely not illogical. But they have an abstract way of putting things across, and they really
Absolutely.
make sense. And I'm sure my wife is listening. She should not kill me. So Pooja, I'm sorry, that's not what I meant.
Yeah. So, beautiful points that you brought in is everything women associates, whether it is her finance, whether it is the living of the life, whether it is managing the house, everything she associates at the end of the day with her happiness and stress. So happiness is something which she should be finding within herself and not looking for it outside. Even if she does this, automatically there will be a lot of stability in her life as well as the life of the family. And as you said, she should be confident to manage and at least take interest in the finance, what is happening. It's going to sort her life better.
Ritu, there is nothing out there.
Right.
Whatever is there is within inside us.
Correct. So look,
Yeah, and we keep looking for things outside of
Outside.
us.
true.
So please get that there
fact
everything,
clear.
happiness, peace, joy, love, passion, compassion, empathy, everything is within us.
In us, within us.
Just get in touch with your own self, and especially for ladies, they are so multitasking, they're so much involved with giving things that
Absolutely.
they forget themselves.
So true. So
Just take that 15 minutes, 20 minutes of that me time where you are with your own self.
Correct.
Just spending that quality time with your own self where the world
And your-
ceases to exist for you. Please do that.
that's a added tip with the finance stress not to be taken and to be taken. The finance, let me clarify, finance stress not to be taken, but the responsibility of understanding your finance to be taken, being in the happy space, and along with that, even looking out for a me time, that is a 10 to 15 minutes time that you do something for yourself. This was an added tip given by Dev. Thank you so much, Dev. Now, coming to Dr. Jankana. So neutrogenomic, what is neutrogenomic counseling? It is something to do with genes. So you mean to say that we can actually improve our genes? Yeah?
Yes, coming up to this is a very new topic. Many
Yes.
health professionals may be also not very aware of this, but it is a very key topic because when you go to a doctor, Ritu, what does doctor say is, your father has diabetes? Your mother has a sugar
हाँ, so
issue?
तुमको आएगा.
हाँ, so तुमको आएगा. तो अभी when I am a woman, I think, like, see, everyone is repeating the family is important to me, and even I'm important to myself. So now, how many days we can take this saying, okay, it's in my genes, so I'm going to have a bad lifestyle and be ready for diabetes or a cardiovascular diseases or BP to me. So now, this nutrigenomic topic is we do a gene testing. Genome testing, depending upon the structure, Ritu, we give nutrients suiting your body. So the chances of you getting the same gene disorder like diabetes reduces.
Wow.
Okay? And one more part to include, when people are doing a diet, many women go to nutritionists in many ways for PCOD, PMS, for weight loss. But they are like trial and error issues.
Absolutely.
First 5 kg gaya madam, abhi kya?
There is
Okay, there is a plateau, then there is demotivation. Already they have been motivating themselves in their multitasking ways, telling the family that I want to do my me time and I will do it for myself. And when they don't get results, it's disappointing
Very
to them.
much, very much.
Okay, then they give up on their health. Okay. Now, when we talk about nutrigenomics, depending upon your gene structure, I can give you nutrients which will make you lose faster than what you were losing. It's
Okay.
just an example for weight loss. Of course, nutrigenomics has a bigger roles in cancer, in cardiovascular disorders, lifestyle disorders, and many other. But weight loss being a key issue, women want to look good.
Absolutely.
Accept the fact. And they want to be perfect, fit into nice clothes. So with this subject, it can be easier. My productivity as a nutritionist increases.
True.
Okay?
So thank you so much. So people can go to a nutrigenomic counselor to understand their gene qualities and do something about it. So which is possible, which is news to us because we were absolutely on this platform. Were you aware, Murthy, Dev? We were not aware.
Genes are protein. Okay? So
Right.
protein is the base of genes.
Okay.
It will not happen a day. Like, I'm not saying a statement where I can remove cancer from your genes, but you at 35 do precautions, do start eating, so at 65 you don't have a problem.
Okay, so it takes some time.
Yeah,
but
because
it is possible.
Yes, it is
to
possible.
reduce the
Risk.
risk factor.
At least when you start with your kids or yourself, you'll be happy that you did something about yourself. Right now, we all are helpless when the doctor says, "Mummy ko isliye tumko aaya."
Correct. So thank you so much, Dr. Jankana, for making us understand what is this all about and how important it is if we incorporate this or we actually think about doing this. So thank you so much. Murthy, so tell me how important again is financial planning in regards to knowing. So Dev had mentioned, that his mother knew what his father was investing into. So I just got this point that how important is it for all the women of the house to know that what is the conditional status of the men, that what is the business status of the men, is the house on loan, how many loans do they have, what is the investment, how many friendly loans have they given. Because if there is some adversity happening in regards to some death in the family, we don't want to talk about something like this on this platform, but yes, it is always necessary for every woman, I would say, that to be aware of what is the social status, yes, but what is the financial status of the husband, where she knows that how much is there in the bank, how much is the insurance, how much is the loan standing, how much is the investment in the market, where is the business lying. So is this possible for a woman to know, and is this possible for men to actually make some process where there is some file, anything, where if there is something happening, she is not lost, Murthy. The friendly loans don't go away,
Yeah, so the first thing which a woman should do, something I will be saying something controversial here,
Yeah.
is that you should always praise your husband.
Wow.
You
Wow.
should say that you are the best.
Oh, yes.
So once you make them like this, they will start confiding in you.
Wow.
मैंने इसको
This
पैसा
is,
दिया
this
था.
is a tip that he gave, huh?
So you should say that you are the best.
Let me stop you here. Mrs. Murthy, if you are listening to this. Yeah.
And Pooja,
Nahi, nahi.
I hope you're listening.
Nee, this is the tip which she gave me. So
Okay.
yeah. So you should always say that you are the best. So
Excellent.
when he will start confiding in you, and then afterwards the relationship improves, and whatever mistake that he might have made, he will tell you.
Wow.
So he will not like to, normally men will not like to tell what is happening. So you
Correct.
should always encourage them. So once you encourage them, they will tell you what is the status of the family, what is happening in the thing. And then slowly you should guide them in a way that, okay, they start looking at investment for the retirement, investment for their kids. So they should look into those aspects. So now if you just take a fight with them, बोले कि ऐसा हो गया, वैसा हो गया, then afterwards he will shut down.
Right.
He will not tell you. So then afterwards you say that, okay, and then you go for walks. So both the things happen. You are walking, so health taken care of, and you are also bonding.
Wow.
And then afterwards you talk about finance, kya hua, and then you say that I made this investment, that investment, and you make a will. You should always see to that you should have a diary, and you should be writing. Every week we see that what is your assets, what is the liability I make, and I keep it. Whether she keeps, whether she sees or not, I don't know.
But there
I
is a
always tell
diary
her
like
you
that.
look into this particular thing.
That's a
Whatever
great tip.
assets, this is what I've done for the kids. If something happens to me, so much of money you will get from insurance, and I have planned, I have kept money in these type of things. So this is all I always tell them. But she said, no, no, no. She, people financially, what is happening is the women always have got a fear that if you speak like this, that those things will happen. It is not like that. But you have to be financially, you should always keep yourself abreast about what is happening. And you should always try to improve yourself on a daily basis.
So this is a good tip that, two good tips that Murthy has given, that the women, Jankna, better note it down. We should appreciate our husbands. We should bring them at a position that they also have trust in us, that we are not judging them. So this is a very important point that you brought in, Murthy, that yes, men also have this thing that what if my wife judges me that, oh, I am having a financial crisis, or I am having a loss, or I am taking loans from the bank. So this confidence the women should take the men into is a very important tip. And the second tip that you gave is for a man to maintain a diary where everything is put forward there, and there is a clarity. So the stress is not going on the women, but the women is aware that where to go to. So this is great. So coming back to you, Dev, again, that what he said, that appreciating the men is going to, balance out the relationship. So we were not in picture. It was like some, I would say a shock, not a shock, but this was an eye-opener for me that even the men can feel that, oh, I should not say this to my wife, otherwise she will judge me or anything, that why should I give my loss issues to. So something that you can elaborate here, and also for a woman, how does she mentally prepare herself during such times, when there is some adversity like this coming, no, Dev, it is very difficult for a woman, she gets lost, what to do. So,
The only thing that I can say here is that believe and trust your ability and capability. Things will never be the same. The only thing constant in life is change, including your financial status. There are times your financial status would go up, there are times when your financial status could go down. And right now we are going through a period like that, the period of the pandemic. And believe me, a lot of people have seen tough times in the last 11 months, 11 and a half months, that a lot of businesses have shut down, a lot of things have shut down. But does that mean that that is going to be permanent?
no.
Like I said, the only thing constant is change. And this too shall pass. But what will give you the ability and strength to pass this is the ability in you to trust your capability, and the strength of the family is the only thing. And the strength of the family is again given by your trust on your own self, because you are the sutra dhar of the family. So for me, I am very clear, a woman is the sutradhar. Without a woman, I would not have been sitting here. Without a woman, you would not have been sitting here.
Absolutely.
And there are a couple of women in my life who've played a very, very important role. My grandmother, my mother, my chachi, they've all, played a very, very important role in, shaping my life and shaping my career. And it is given by the confidence that they have. So trust yourself, trust your ability. And there is something very beautiful said by Father Alfred de Souza, and he said, who you are, speak so loud, I hear not what you speak.
Wow.
It's the confidence that you are, is when you go there and stand and you don't even have to speak anything. Your presence there resolves things for people. So trust yourself, trust your ability, trust the ability of your husband, trust the ability of your partner. It's not necessary he has to be your husband, he could be your partner. So trust the ability of your partner, and you will sail through this turbulent times.
That is so beautifully put up, very beautifully put up, where a person does not, you also mentioned language when you spoke earlier. So yes, the language can also be the body language. That when you're standing, what is happening inside you is absolutely always going to reflect outside you. So very beautifully put. And what you spoke about ability and capability, that's so well versed and so well put up. Thank you so much, Dev, for actually, opening up windows right now, more windows to think beyond where we get stuck at a point of time. That itna hi ho sakta hai, but this is taking us way beyond what we can think. Um, See, in the current situation, the women, what she faces, absolutely in regards to stress and wealth, there are so many health issues that she faces because she is in a stress. The PCOD, which the younger girls are getting, Dr. Jankna now, menopause, the problems that she gets during menopause. Menopause earlier used to be at 45, 50, now it is at 35, 40. So many hormonal imbalances taking place in her body. So what can you suggest and help for that as a counselor? Yeah.
See, very interesting topic when we talk about women. Women are made up of hormones. Okay, they are emotional. We all know they are full of emotions. They have a life cycle where they go through different hormones working on them. Like when she is a teenager, then she grows up, she gives birth, then she's postpartum, and then rightly said menopause. So at every part, your body is driven with different hormones. So hormone balance is base of women health. But now, when we talk about hormone balance, nutrition makes a big impact. There has been researches saying that when a woman has mood swings, so people say it's your mood swings and you are entering a menopause, or even for a teenager you may start your period. So now what to do about this mood swings? It is now affecting my day-to-day life. So some handy tips for that is, for balancing your hormone, estrogen and progesterone, you need methi seeds, which is handily available at home.
Right.
Methi seeds has fiber, which helps to build a very good gut flora. What is gut flora? To be in short, it is microorganisms which help you to develop nutrients in yourself.
Wow.
So they are your inner nutrient developers. You just don't need to put it from outside. If I tell you to do something, you may say that I don't have time. I will not do it. It disturbs me. But you just have to develop a good gut. I mean, gut means is a digestive system in which we have microorganisms, bacteria working to develop nutrients for you. They will, but only thing is you develop them.
Wow.
For developing this gut flora, you need curd, you need raw fruits, vegetables, you need fiber in your diet, you need whole grains. In my practice, you also may be knowing, nowadays there is a going that everybody is stopping wheat.
Yeah, everyone. Juwar.
Yes, everybody is eating juwar
Juwar,
rotis
yes.
without even giving a single thought that from years we have been eating wheat. How can it be like, if only wheat can give you weight loss or a fat loss, then it would be fantastic for us also to give results. It's a balanced nutrition which matters. There is not even a single food which has all nutrients.
Correct.
So perfect balance. See, first I told it is nutritional need of a body. Even if we don't see body, all nutrients which are widely spread in this nature. Nature has its own cure. So there are so many food which is available in India, so we are rich with food. We have
Yeah.
so many grains, so many. So we should not omit anything just because I'm reading it over the social media.
Okay.
I'm getting, like, my neighbor has lost 10 kgs with one diet, so I will start keto. Like, keto was very much in, not offending any diet. It was just Mediterranean diet. There are so many diets which influence and attract with good results. Here, I'm not talking about result. We are talking about woman health. You should be healthy. You should feel healthy. What is feeling healthy is reducing your mood swings, having your ideal body weight, which is your ideal body weight. If you are a dinosaurus, you can't be a lizard. Everyone 5'2" can't be 52.
Absolutely.
Don't be in pressure. Just you are energetic, doing your work, and you are in your own balance of your mood. you are doing perfectly good job, which will come with food, nutrition, and right food combination at right time.
So this is a very nice and a valid point, eye-opening point that Dr. Jankna just made, that it is necessary to be energetic while you are even following a nutritional diet. Because we come across women, please don't call me because मेरा diet चालू है तो मैं थक जाती हूँ. This is a very common statement. Which we come in contact with from a lot of girls. My diet is on, so please stay away from me. I'm going to lose my head also. So it is very important now we understand today that it is very important for a person to have a person per se diet. So you cannot Google a diet or you cannot just follow because a friend had some result.
And basically, even diet can be a small step also. It's not necessary that morning 8 o'clock wake up, have lukewarm water. No, even having nutritious food, making good choices is a small step towards big change.
Great.
No matter. Okay, if you find a watermelon while doing grocery shopping, you remember, okay, Dr. Jankna was saying somewhere fat loss ho raha hai. Choose one watermelon. You will feel good also by putting something.
For
if
your
you
own
get
self.
yes, if you get, you will learn how to put a small changes. And if your daughter is also having your genes, as we were talking nutrigenomics, she will be also very happy to do.
Correct.
And when you get energy, you are ready to do anything.
Absolutely. Energy is what one requires.
Yes. And some more handy tips to go on, coming back to hormone imbalance. For PCOD, methi seeds are very important. They can have that. Commonly, I come to know from my clients before they're chumming. They call me, I'm getting sweet craving. I want to
Yes.
eat chocolate. Today was a bad day. I had this, I had that. Now my maid is not coming, I want to have a chocolate. So now chocolate craving starts from your pituitary gland, that is from your hormone, which is driving you crazy.
Okay.
Don't feel guilty that you are feeling that. You are not doing anything
But what is to be
wrong.
done if you're feeling that?
Yes. So instant beet juice helps because it has glutamine, that is an amino acid, which helps instant.
But beet juice, beet भी होना चाहिए ना घर पे.
So if you don't have a beet, then you can be practicing a healthy life over a month. That
Okay.
is preparing. You can have curd, you can have
Okay.
high fiber, you can have isabgol. Okay.
Also keep beet in the house.
Yes, keep, you know na, your dates are coming and you may
So
have a
keep the
stress
beetroot
date.
in
So
the
keep
house.
beetroot juices.
So it should be raw.
It
raw
can be
beetroot
raw. Raw beet juices is also okay. It can be mixed with pomegranate. Pomegranate is also very good fruit for hormonal imbalance. There are certain food which are very good for hormonal imbalance in search.
Great.
Like raw papaya, mosambi. Then you have pomegranate, you have
Okay.
ginger, you have turmeric, you have tulsi. It
Wow.
does miracle if your cycle is disturbed.
Okay.
Tulsi and amla will give you.
The basil leaves you're talking
Yeah,
about.
no, not basil.
Tulsi.
Tulsi.
Tulsi,
Our
okay.
home tulsi, what
Okay,
we
our
get with.
medicinal, the
Yes.
plant that we, yeah, okay.
That is
Great.
the best part.
So
for
thank
women.
you so much, Dr. Jankna, that you've given really important tips where one can look up to when one is actually feeling stressed. So thank you. Yeah.
I'd like to add something here. You know, especially when women are not energetic and they are having mood swings, happiness is out of the window.
Absolutely.
And it's not only her happiness.
The whole-
Everyone associated with her is, in a state of
Yeah,
stress.
yeah.
So eating healthy, of course, will give you the state of mind of being happy.
A beet can solve your problem. Why not buy a beet?
Yeah, absolutely.
Instead of beating around the bush.
Yes.
Yeah, beetroot
Even
should
a
be
pear.
there in your grocery and vegetable list now.
Yeah.
So which is supposed to be a mandate to be
And
there in your fridge.
Yeah, and even a pear, which I
Pear and a
forgot.
beet.
Pear
So-
gives you satiety like anything. In half an hour, you will not feel like eating any sugary. So even if you want to take a chance, कि चलो chance देखते हैं, जंकना ने बोला होता है कि नहीं, तो eat a pear, wait for half an hour, and you will not feel hungry. That's
Okay, so let's see. Let's check it out, girls.
Yes.
Coming back to finance. Okay, so the component of GDP, the homemaker works without getting compensated for work. There is no salary given to a woman, okay. If we look at it, there is a controversy and a discussion and a debate that in India, how many males are actually even helping the homemaker in the kitchen or the house, even if the woman is working. So what is the demography of the joint family? The demography of the joint family is where the women is the active member working, taking care of everything. If there is somebody falling sick, she is the one running there. Elders of the family, the kids of the family, the husband, the didis coming in the house, the kitchen, every part of the room. But then comes a point, Mr. Murthy, where at 45, 46 years of age, where everybody is busy in their life. The children are in the college, and now she feels that ab mera kya? Where am I now? And she wants to do something. So this is a question for both of you, Dev and Murthy. I will start with you, Dev, first here. That what should a woman do at this stage of life, 45? Because I've seen women getting into depression. I've seen women, no idea what to do. And they get so throwing themselves on others that you don't care for me. Because there is this attention that they require. They are free basically, suddenly. So what is something that they can think about, Dev?
First of all, every human being needs to look at how self-reliant I am and I can be. Like I said, everything is inside you, and you are the only person on the face of this earth. And you have to take care of your own well-being. It's the generosity that the woman, spends herself in taking care of the family. But if you really look at it in a singular point of view, you have to take care of your own self.
True.
And after having, taken care of all the responsibilities that you have to take care of, it is time that you start thinking about your own self. And that is what will give you a lot of accomplishment. बच्चों को आपने पढ़ा दिया, बच्चों को आपने सेटल कर दिया, आपने अपने माँ बाप की टेक केयर कर ली, आपने अपने इन लॉज की टेक केयर कर ली, अपने हस्बैंड की टेक केयर कर ली. बट आपका नंबर कब आएगा?
Correct.
When will you start?
So we have a second question to Murthy. That Murthy, do the banks help when a woman wants to start? There are a lot of businesses which she can do even sitting in the house, which you had earlier mentioned when we were discussing this. And so how does a woman take over from that point of time, where she wants money to start something, or can she do even without money? So give us both the overviews, without money and with money. And where does the money come from?
Okay. So we have to divide it into two parts, where you want to put finance and start a business, or work on your own.
Yes, on
or
my
we have to
own.
do
Yeah.
without finance. So without finance, there are a lot of options. One, I'll talk about many companies. Tata Group is there. Many multinationals are there for female who have left their job and they want to have a second career. Those people regularly advertise, and you can go and join the mainstream. So now most of the responsibilities are over. Now you can go and you can have a corporate life where you can go work and have a decent salary,
Wow.
and that's how you can proceed. That is one aspect of it. Second thing is that, let's say that you want to be at home, want to work part time. There are a lot of things, like you can take tuitions, and the other things are there. Through Facebook you can buy and sell. If you're a commerce graduate, then you can do financial planning, you can be an insurance agent.
Great.
For which you don't have to have any money. You don't require to have money. The third point which I would say is that, let's say that you are saying that, okay, now you start, now this responsibility over, now you take over the finance of the house. It's the
Nice.
best thing actually. Now this responsibility is over. Now you assist your husband. The husband also will be very happy. If you start taking over the finance, well, like, take care, where are
But
the
here there
investments?
is a controversy, Murthy, because all the houses, the women would not want to fall into that chick of the home finance. So what is something that she can do where the bank, for example, if somebody wants to start a small entrepreneurship business and she needs some particular amount of money, where can she get? Yes, the earlier tips are amazing, that she can do something which she can do without investing anything. She can even manage her own finance of the house. But what if she does not want to do this? She wants to start up a business where she needs some money coming from the outsourcing
Yeah.
of the money. Yeah.
So there are many banks. You got this Mudra loan up to 10 lakhs. They give you money,
Oh wow.
which is you don't have to keep any security.
Is it?
So that money. Then there are a lot of schemes which are given by banks. Banks have got priority sector lending, where you have to give certain amount to the women. So banks will always be after you. If you go to the bank once or twice, they will be after you to take a loan.
Loan le lo.
Loan le lo, loan le lo, because if you show some,
Yeah.
so that is one thing which is there. Then afterwards there is also called as self karke, which is all government instituted
Could you
things.
repeat that? What did you say?
SELF.
SELF.
Yeah, self, where the government itself gives you training. So the training ranges from 1 year to 5 year. Like you want to be a designer, you want to do so
Oh,
many
is
things.
it?
So the government itself will train you, and then afterwards you can set up a business.
This is amazing.
Yeah. Then there is also Sri Shakti karke one is there, where all your products, this is the Digital India initiative. What they say is that whatever products that you make, you can directly display in their web page.
Shri Shakti.
Yeah.
Excellent.
So these type of things are there. So you can just create products and put it in the Digital India website. They've got that website, and if you put it there, you can get business.
That is amazing. Amazing tips coming from Dev also and from Murthy. They've mentioned that being self-reliant is the biggest thing that a woman can give it to herself, and Murthy coming up with outstanding tips on managing something which you can do without investing, also managing the home finance if you have been a commerce graduate, or there is SEL fee by the government and Shri Shakti, where you can put forward your own products. So we are really coming up to the closure of this.
Yeah, just 1 minute. I
Yeah.
forgot about this. One of the most important, the people are educated. So what happens is there is a British Council. So you have to take some exams for that. If you take those exams and you clear, which most of the people do, then you can be an evaluator. You just have to be invigilator. Sorry,
Is it?
and they pay you 12,000, 13 rupees per day. Travel charge is taken care of you, hotel is taken care of you, morning to evening you have to be there. You make 12,000 or 13,000 rupees.
You've actually opened up so many job options for not just women. This is something the men also can do.
Yeah.
So amazing, Murthy. That is outstanding contribution from your end, where actually a person can make a difference in their life. So thank you so much. And we have a lot of questions coming our way from the link that we have. So we have viewers watching. So I would first of all extend a very warm thanks to all the viewers who are taking out time on a Sunday afternoon, late afternoon, and watching us live. So the questions we have is, how will you motivate, this is for you, Dev, how will you motivate women who have lost their job path professionally during the pandemic?
I will answer it in a different way.
Absolutely.
There is something very beautiful. It says, life was about to begin. Life was about to begin, the real life. But there was always a debt to be paid, time to be served. And then my life would begin, the real life. But then it dawned on me that these very obstacles are my life. Now, I would answer it in two ways, for two segments. One is for the person who has asked this question, that I have lost my job and what do I do? I'm sure during your life there are so many things that you wanted to do someday, and that someday never arrived. How about making that someday today?
Wow.
And going out and taking those actions that you always wanted to keep for some other day.
That's amazing. So basically you are wanting to say that thinking not just into what you have been doing so far, but taking yourself a little away from that and thinking out of the box of what you wanted to always explore about yourself. Very well said, Dev. Very well said.
And for people who want to contribute, take up anything. Take up anything. And the most important thing is we don't work on our passions.
Very true.
So start working on your passions, and who knows, your relentless working on your passion would make it into your profession.
And you never know that when you're doing something out of the way where you wanted to do, and a lot of more avenues open up for you.
Yeah. And we are also looking at ready answers. The word life, L-I-F-E, what is it an acronym of? Life is living in freedom, and, as in preposition, and, inquiry.
Wow.
And we don't even inquire into our own life.
I would
कि
request
मुझे
you
क्या
to
चाहिए?
repeat that again, Dev. Slowly.
Yeah. The word life
Yeah.
is an acronym of living in freedom, and as in a preposition, and, inquiry. And we don't inquire into our own life.
Great.
That मुझे क्या चाहिए, मुझे क्या करना है. And believe me, the minute you start introspecting, you will have, okay, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. The whole world is at your feet. Start from wherever you want to start. Choose whatever you want to choose.
That's so beautifully said. So I hope the viewer who asked the question gets the answer to this, and Dev can bring some difference in the way you are thinking. Some paradigm shift. This is a paradigm shift statement.
It's absolutely a paradigm shift.
Yeah.
Absolutely a paradigm shift.
There is a question for you, Dr. Jankana. Does green tea actually help lose weight? Is this true or just a myth? You will sabotage the complete industry, so be careful.
Okay. See, green tea, basically, I would answer it. Every patient coming to me, going somewhere, or not also patient, any human being who is taking something should be aware what the food is made up of. Food is a very important thing, but we take it very lightly when we put it inside our body. Green tea is an antioxidant to an extent. Not in Indian food. Indian food is not full of fat, not full of sugar. When we talk about US, UK, their food patterns is non-vegetarian basis. It has more of sugar, more of fat, and there is no antioxidants, basically. Tulsi is a better antioxidant than what a green tea is.
Okay, so basically the importance of green tea is working as an antioxidant.
It is if we range an antioxidant. When someone comes to me, what is the better way to give antioxidant? Some may eat vegetables, some may be fussy, some may eat fruit, some may be fussy. So when I rank it in antioxidant, it is a mediocre.
Okay.
It is more for the taste what people in western side use, because they have to cut their mouth taste of full of fat and sugar.
So that is the reason why they use
That is
it.
why they use.
Okay.
When we go on a diet, we to anyways eat more of fruits, vegetables. So green tea, if you like, you can continue to have it. But there is
question
no
here is-
relation between fat loss and green tea.
So no weight loss.
Researches which prove medically.
Okay.
This I'm giving for antioxidant. Even when my patients are listening to me, they say you are giving green tea. Give me a reason. So reason is we give it for antioxidant. When you are under a weight loss, you need antioxidants so that your aging is not seen. But we have better antioxidants like tulsi, which taste better than green tea.
Wow, thank you. The second question is for Murthy. Is there any particular department with Tata that will take the initiative to educate women on what you mentioned? You had mentioned something about Tata.
Yeah, this is that women's having a second career option.
Yes.
So they continuously advertise. So you can touch any of the HR people and they will tell you.
Any Tata HR
Any
people and
Tata HR guys, if you contact, they will be able to tell you when they are coming.
So
Or you can put your biodata. They will put it in the screen and they will see what are the opportunities which are available.
So how do you connect with these?
So you just mark to Tata HR and they will be able to give you.
All right. So through LinkedIn or
Yeah,
Google
you can
or
go
something?
through the LinkedIn, yeah.
Okay. So I think the question is clear. We have one more question for you, Dr. Jankana. Is keto a good diet, good form of diet?
On a personal basis, I don't find it to be a proper diet for Indians, because in keto there is 90% is fat, which a keto who made was basically if you want me to go through, it was for epileptic children's who are missing with the enzyme which does not digest carbohydrate as main source of energy for brain. So it was developed for
This is
them.
very heavy to.
Okay, so coming short, keto is not for Indians. For women, it's the most harmful diet one can follow.
Is it?
Yes, because fat is not right for women hormones. As
Okay.
I said, we are full of hormones. If my hormones are not balanced, my mood will be never in my control, my weight will be never in my control. I would say for certain emergency cases and you want to shed off weight, there are many other ways, but don't go for keto because keto mein you are not getting right fat because we will not eat non-vegetarian in India.
Okay, so for
we are
vegetarian,
for
it is not.
vegetarian, it is not a good diet. For non-vegetarian, you are going for red meat. You are ready to take non-veg as your core.
Then
Okay, then
okay.
it is okay. You can go, but not for a longer time. It has its own hazard. I am a naturopathic doctor and a dietitian. It's my responsibility when I talk in front of so many. They're taking my words.
Yeah.
So I would always suggest take nutritionally balanced diet what is right for yourself. There is nothing
Your body, for your body.
Yes, there is no
Yeah.
generic. Don't be behind results. Results is what? It's not like outside. I should be 52. I should look good. You should feel good. The most important is when you have a mood swing and your baby is not sleeping, you are in a helpless situation.
Absolutely.
And at that moment, if you are energetic and taking it with a happy mood, that makes your diet to be perfect diet. Even when you are overweight, or you are not in standard of weight, not even
So
overweight.
basically, you mean to say the most important form of diet is a balanced nutritional diet,
Yes.
which is given to you according to your body type,
Yes.
and which is keeping you energetic.
Yes.
Period to that.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So we have, I think, can we keep taking questions? Yeah. So there is this question for you, Dev. There is a turmoil all around you, outside you. Then how do you maintain inner peace? I'm so glad the viewers are really listening to us. I'm really glad.
Where is the turmoil? Like I said, we're human beings and everything exists in language. Turmoil is, now we are going through a pandemic situation. Okay, and I talked about a dog being and a cat being. Why are the dogs and the cats so peaceful? Because they don't have that unique word of language.
They actually had a gala time when everybody was locked in the house.
Yes.
Were all locked
yes,
in the house.
Yes. So, it's a state of mind. There is no turmoil. Turmoil is in your speaking. If you look at your own self, there is inner peace. But the problem is that the answer is so simple that we don't want to trust the answer because itna bada life hai, so things have to be complicated. There's nothing complicated. Everything in life is simple as simple can be. Just trust that. Surrender yourself to the design of life. Don't fight it. We just fight life.
We want to do something which we feel that it is not possible for us, and so the fight keeps happening. Rather than accepting what is happening around us, acceptance, I think, is what you mean to say.
Acceptance of things will set you free, one. Second, I have been talking about being.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What is being? Being is a science of ontology. Okay? What is ontology? You know, when you study the science of your body, it's a doctor.
Yes.
It's a when you study the science of mind, it's psychology.
Psychologist.
The science of being is ontology. Now, when you say you have lost, you already have lost even before you have started to
Accept
tackle it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything and everything in life is in language. And turmoil, stress, pain, fear. You know, there are two kinds of fear. One is a real fear. What is a real fear? If I take you to the 100th story of Empire State Building, put you on the edge, you know, half hanging out, And the fear that you're experiencing, that is a real fear, because you know, if I drop you. Now sometimes there's another fear, and the fear of failure. It's in your head. Now if I do a CT scan, can I figure out where that fear of failure is?
No.
It's in language. Everything exists in language.
So communication, acceptance, and the being is
Communication, everything is communication. Anything and everything in life starts with communication and can be resolved with communication, whether it is an internal communication or an external communication.
Excellent, Dev. I hope the viewer has got the answer. So we have one more question which actually Jankana doctor had answered. So how does one avoid stress eating? Sometimes the work pressure makes you seek food which calms you down in spite of knowing that it is full of calories. You already said, so let me say this if I understood. Pear.
Yes.
Eat pear?
No.
No?
Not only a pear can help you. Of course, you are right. Pear will help when you have PMS.
Okay.
Okay, now here I want everyone to understand, when you are getting a stress eating means your gut flora is weak.
Okay.
Okay, as we both were discussing,
Yeah.
gut flora is very important for a person to develop. Now, because of stress, because of late night sleeps, like in lockdown, we all were like me time. रात को 3 बजे तक जग रहे हैं हम लोग, scroll कर रहे हैं
Yeah.
movie.
Over me time.
Yeah, over me time. We had over me time. So when you are not following your cardiac rhythm, that is waking up at one time, sleeping at one time, and following a disciplinary lifestyle, leads to your gut flora which has been damaged. And when if she is feeling so, your gut flora needs help. This is craving. Say your body is telling you that you need help in your gut flora. There is a problem in your gut. Now to develop that gut flora, it will take at least 2 months without instant results seen on you. But after 2 months, when your gut flora is into action.
But how does she do this?
Yes, for that she needs to have sleeping pattern to be right.
A proper sleeping
8
pattern.
hours sleep, same time of sleeping, same time of waking up. Even if it is night ka 4 sleeping, you have to sleep regularly at 4 and wake
Okay.
up at same time.
Okay,
So
wow.
your cardiac rhythm is there. So your body knows exactly what are you doing. Majority time your body is not knowing whether you are dieting, you are eating non-nutritious food, or body is nature has its own language. So if you are experiencing something which is out of your control, means you are not regulated.
Okay, so basically the sleep pattern
Sleep.
coming in the place.
And
She's
eating.
allowed even sleeping at 4, but she says that maintaining the same pattern. So you are sleeping at 4 and waking up at say 9 o'clock in the morning, do that every day.
Yeah.
And it's
So your body will be,
confused nahi hai.
हाँ, so your body will set for you a good gut flora with help of curd, raw fruits and vegetables, enough amount of fluid, and if then also you are experiencing some problem, prebiotic, probiotic can do miraculous things, because if this goes on, the next thing is you will have skin and hair problem.
So hair loss and skin
Yes.
problem. Oh,
So
wow.
it is like intervene.
everything-
This is the first stage where you are. You should take care so that you don't go to, because the more stages you go, more time it will take.
So the way ailments have stage 1, stage 2. So this is basically, you can call it a stage 1 alarming system, the gut flora screaming that take care of me.
Yes.
Don't confuse the body.
And I don't want to stress you all saying that कि कितने दिन हम लोग एक का एक कर सकते हैं. People say how many days I can be so disciplined. See, you will have this many counts of gut flora in you, that is in billions. So once in a while you sleep late, you don't follow your cardiac system, you have alcohol, you have coke, or you have some junk
Fizzy
food.
drinks.
Okay, fizzy drinks or maybe high sugar drinks. Only a 5% of gut flora will be damaged. Rest of 90 will be working. Right now, if you're getting these symptoms, it is less than 10%.
Okay.
So we need to develop it so strong that you are able to do your cheating days or your discipline days can be taken care. It is only for a while of 1 or 2 months you need to take care.
Okay. Thank you so much. So I think this is quite clear what she has mentioned. So we have one more question for you, Dev. Why do women equate their happiness with their family's achievement? This is deep.
It is.
This is really deep. Yeah.
Happiness, like I said, is not a place to go to. And unfortunately, the way we have, the society, the education, the learnings that we have, our experiences of our life, this is how we have been trained. That as a child, अगर अच्छे मार्क्स लाएगा तो मैं तेरे को ये टॉय लेके दूंगा, अगर तू ये करेगा तो मैं वो करके दूंगा, अगर I remember I told my daughter, when you get certain percentage in your 10th standard, I'll get you an iPhone. And I did that. Now that is how we have been conditioned, that agar aap, and for a woman, what is her center? What is her focus? For a woman, her center is her family. She forgets that it is not a place to go to. Of course, it will be an added happiness. गुजराती में कहावत है, हसीने पण करवू छे ने रड़ीने पण करवू छे, तो हसीने केम नहीं? You have to do something. Now, instead of becoming happy after having reached, how would your journey be if you traveled that path happy? So, I will only say one thing: happiness is not a place to go to. Happiness is a place to stand in, and from there do whatever you do.
Excellent. So we come back to the same point, that look for happiness within yourself rather than. So thank you so much, Dev. We hope that the viewer found the answer, or found a window opening towards the answer. So there is one more question for you, Dr. Jankana, that how many leaves of tulsi one should have, and how? So you should really be happy. People are really listening to what you're speaking.
Yes, yes. And I'm happy they're sticking to our roots, I remember my nanny, if I used to, as a child, just complain, I haven't got hurt, just for attention seeking. So she used to say, nothing, you are a strong girl. Go pick 2 leaves of tulsi and put it in your mouth and you'll be fine. And that was real. We took it. It was just a... Nowadays, when children come to us, we give them chocolates.
But the question...
Now, tulsi leaves, you are saying there is no particular, there is like technical issues. Tulsi can be taken with different age groups. It differs completely.
Okay.
Healthily, 2 sticks with a dilution, like how you are taking is also important. You have
cannot chew,
tulsi
right?
powders,
Yeah.
you have tulsi powders, you have tulsi capsules, you have tulsi in original, there is tulsi sticks. Now when I'm generically saying, I would say 8 to 10 leaves of tulsi without, you don't want to, there is a part where it is a medicinal herb.
Okay.
I'm not saying from point of view of curing something.
Okay. So...
Just for being a healthy well-being, 8 to 10 leaves per day can be taken. It can be 2 to 3 also. Because it is like calculating the enzyme in it with the body weight.
Okay.
Okay.
So it is according to the person and the age.
Age and what type of genes they have. So
Okay.
in general, if you want, you can have 2 to 3, ranging 5 to 6. If you're starting with a child, it can be 2 to 3. If adult, 5 to 6, 8 to 10 is okay.
Okay. So there is one more question. Does intermittent fasting help in weight loss? And how good is it?
Okay, well, I will ask a question to you because you are like a viewer to me. Can I breathe today all oxygen and not breathe for next 10 hours?
Not possible.
Same. When you eat something, you are picking up your sugar levels to an height. Okay, and at that moment your brain was working. Brain needs glucose to work. It cannot metabolize fat. So even if you are fat, your brain needs glucose. It needs sugar.
So intermittent fasting...
So what happens in intermittent fasting? They eat for 2 hours, anything.
No,
and everything.
It is 16 hours, 16, 8.
Yeah, so then what happens
14,
in that
10,
is, you
yeah.
are not able to finish all 32 nutrients which you want for the day. Can you? You can't. It's like...
In the 8 hours of cycle that you're eating.
Eating, you will be not balanced and you will be depriving yourself from certain things at, like if it is a sleeping type of intermittent. I would be not preferring it.
Okay.
Because It
But
is
the-
not
the
balanced and it's
question-
not nutritious.
So the question asked is, does intermittent fasting help in weight loss?
Weight loss, yes, it helps.
But it is not supposed to be, you cannot.
That is not the right way
right
to
way to do it.
approach.
Okay. So we got the answer. So I will just ask the back team that should we answer more questions, because I think we should. One last question. Okay, we have one last question which is for Murthy. So Murthy, how do you ensure consistent returns on mutual fund savings?
Yeah, the simple answer is that you have a time horizon of 10 to 15 years. Like I said before, like equity, it gives you good returns, but it gives returns over a longer period of time. Many people have done their child's education planning of going abroad for the child's education through equities.
Okay, wow.
Okay, so if you are saving for 10 to 13 years, you will get a return which is the highest amongst all asset classes, whether you invest in gold or whether you invest in real estate. This will give you a good asset, and the beauty of equity is that you can save small amounts. Like I said, 100 rupees also you can save, and you can achieve a financial goal. If you want to
Okay.
buy a house, you have to put 1 crore, 2 crores, or gold again, you will have to put 50,000, 1 lakh for you to buy.
This reminds me when we were discussing this earlier, you talking about our grandmother's, the post office people will come and take 10 rupees every day.
Yeah.
So there is nothing like a particular amount, but the consistency is what.
Yeah. So equity will give you returns over a 10-year, 15-year time frame, and you can achieve your retirement goals, you can achieve your child's education goals,
Excellent.
and throughout your life, it'll pay you dividend and all.
I will just extend a question to this, add on a question to this. So do you need, there are a lot of applications and things available, plan your finance or mutual funds logging into this website, or, so how do you plan mutual funds, investments, Murthy?
So you can go through value research. There are many people who are doing the research. You have got CRISIL who is doing the research.
So
You have got
to some
value research who
company.
is doing the research. So they select those funds. So or even CNBC, they'll select those funds. You can put 20%, 25% in these 3-4 funds. Don't put in only one fund.
Okay. So
Put
you
in
have
3-4
to
funds.
elaborate.
So
You
you
have to
diversify across
diversify.
3-4
Okay.
funds. So and then you look at the performance over a 10-year, 15-year time frame. They will give you similar type of returns.
Okay. You also were mentioning earlier that you can appoint a financial advisor.
Yeah, you can appoint a financial advisor also if you
Okay.
feel. And then you can also start taking more interest on
Great.
direct equity also.
So thank you, all of the viewers. So ladies, we've gained a lot of insight into management of our health, wealth and happiness. Understanding your skills and abilities and making the best of it is what helps you to achieve excellence, is what we understood. It's been a pleasure with all of you and all the viewers today. Not only was it a moment of happiness and a message, nostalgia for us, but also an opportunity to reflect on our learnings and achievements. Coming back to this stage, this is what I mean here. I look forward to talking to many more of our other Garodian alumni again on different topics, different whatever that you would like to talk more about, giving more opportunities to the viewers to think beyond where we think. So dear friends, do come forward and share your ideas and give us different topics you would like to talk on with us. Together we can achieve success and take the association, the PG Garodia Association, to greater heights. I would like to thank the PG Garodia Alumni Association, all the office bearers and the team to open up a platform like this, and to the school for permitting us to come back to school and make us feel we never went, we never left. So once again, thank you all. Take care, stay safe, and have a great Sunday and a great evening. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Any
Bye.
closing statements that you would like to give?
Yeah.
Dave?
Trust yourself, believe yourself, and just go and live life.
Murthy?
Same thing, trust yourself. Don't leave it to others to look after your finance. and take care of your family's finance.
As he mentioned at the first go, that even in the flight they say that, could you repeat that?
Yeah, so when you go to the flight, what do they say? First, you should put your oxygen mask and then you should help others. The same thing happens for your family also. First, you should see to it that you are healthy, you are happy, and you take care of your finance. And then afterwards, you should look at the family finance. Because only if you are happy, your family can be happy.
Fantastic. And Dr. Jankna, last statement, closing statement from you.
Yeah, food thy be your medicine. Rightly said. Food is a very good topic to discuss with others, but please be careful when you're putting it into you. It can have a big outcome, positive also and negative also. So my closing statement would be only go to professionals and professional even websites if you want to. Don't just listen to someone and follow, because you may harm yourself. Not if.
So get married to your body in the right ways.
Yes.
Yeah. So thank you so much to all of you, and thank you so much, viewers. Bye from us.